We are pleased to show you the 2018 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear step bumper, front disc rear drum brakes. Come see the car for yourself.